What's up semua? Sekarang kita dekat Desaru Fruit Farm. This is my first time pergi Desaru Fruit Farm with family doing activities. Kita tak tahulah tengah plan nak buat activities apa kat sini. Ni tempat pretty packed with people. Ramai lah. This is a Sunday and then like this whole place is slam lah. Nak cari parking pun susah and it's about lunch time. Now it's like 12:10 PM on a Sunday, June holidays. And korang nak tengok apa jadi kat sini, apa ada kat sini, because this is my first time. So just sharing with you lah my own experience kat sini di Desaru Fruit Farm. So if you want to check it out, jom follow. Let's go. Orang tengah ni, orang-orang tengah naik the fruit adventure. Fruit farm dia pack gila. School holiday, semua everyone queuing right now. Semua tengah queue nak naik this tour lorry. Okay, now aku nak masuk dia punya tempat mana nak book the tickets. So to book the tickets you have to enter dekat dalam kedai ni. Kedai dia pack ni. Kedai dia pack gila. Ramai orang. So when you enter ada ticketing counter. Ticketing counter dia. Ada ticketing counter. So you choose your activities, ada buku menu macam gini. Ada buku menu. And you just flip through it, tengok what package you like. Dia ada ATV, ada G-Wagon, right? Tumpang G-Wagon, indoor petting zoo. So lunch, you can choose your lunch. Here's the map of the fruit farm. Okay. Dalam kedai dia also jual souvenirs macam buah-buahan. So ada jual buah-buahan, ada jual souvenirs. Buah jambu batu, buah jambu batu air. Sejuk sedap ni kena. Dia ada jual mango, guava, cempedak. Harga dia fruit pack. Saya ingat pula. Saya ingat pula ni fruit pack dia. Happening, my wife tengah planning with the family nak buat apa activity semua. Cari what package for who and what. Ni macam the half day tour, makan minum. Ni makan lunch, ni makan buah. Ni sis, dah settle
Dah, pergi ATV dulu.
So dia punya apa? What's happening?
So this one is the price for 2 adults.
So you tumpang air boleh kan?
Boleh lah.
Price for?
Now we have to go to the food farm first at 1 that lorry tu. Okay, then after that, the ATV already booked at 2:30.
How long is the ride?
The ride is 30 minutes.
Oh.
The food farm is 1 hour.
So 1.8 semua lah, dapat semua?
So nanti ATV tu akan jalan, nanti I tunjuk you the route merah tu.
Then after that, okay, sekarang nak naik the lorry. So we be doing the activity. Kita buat activity. Sampai jalan-jalan nak tour around the food farm. Naik lori dia. So the package includes naik lori tour around the fruit farm. Tour around the fruit farm, the ATV and a few other activities lah. So jom kita jalan-jalan tengok the fruit farm.
Actually. Okay, grab all your belongings, join me over here. Zara, your tour guide.
The tour guide will explain all the pokok, tanaman and plants yang dorang tanam kat sini and what are the benefits and what are the uses for all the plants yang dorang ada kat dalam situ.
Passion fruit. Okay.
The guided tour was really good. The guide ajar kita macam mana nak gunakan certain plants, herbs and fruits for traditional medication healing.
Okay, the seed inside very bitter. You can produce cocoa powder or pure chocolate. And cocoa powder or pure chocolate, they are very high in good fat. So good fat you can consume. Okay, this cocoa powder.
The best part of the fruit farm tour is their hidden petting zoo. This is the mini petting farm. Tempat dia bersih and tak busuk, surprisingly.
Ni untuk kambing. Ni untuk camel. Okay. Makanan dia satu ni RM22. RM20. Ni untuk haiwan kaki dua.
Ni rumput untuk kambing. Ni untuk camel, unta. Ini untuk rabbit dan tortoise. RM20.
Actually, you not scared, what? Good job. Dalam farm ni ada binatang macam kambing, ayam, rabbit, unta and macam-macam lagi yang boleh diberikan makan. Makan apa tu? Oi, bapak besar ni. Bertanduk lagi.
Hari Raya Haji next year. Name list
Bye-bye Isyam, belakang you. Engkau ni. Kan nanti dia gigit-gigit sini.
Kita dapat spend dalam 20 minutes feeding the animals and playing with the animals. The adults dengan kids were all having so much fun getting up close with the animals. Cute ni rabbit dengan ni kambing. Oh, iguana. After feeding the animals, kita pergi for our ATV ride. Kita dah habis food farm adventure, now kita nak buat ATV pula as a family. There's like 6 of us 7. There's like 7 of us di sini. Dan untuk start engine dia sama macam motor, kena turn on dulu kunci satu kali, tengok meter turn on. Sebelum start session naik ATV, ada safety briefing session where the guide will teach us how to operate the ATV and safety procedures when operating the ATV. Tekan together. Jaga hidup lah. Right? Then atas ni emergency, cut off kita punya engine. Anything happen dekat dalam, kalau lost control, nak terlanggar pokok ke apa, tekan, dia automatic shut down. Everyone get to choose the ATV they riding and siapa nak pilihan siapa.
Dia nak besar.
Abang kena naik you.
Don't so fast, Aman.
Panas je. Aku decided to take the lead at the front so I can video all of them riding the ATV up front. So sekarang kita tengah ATV adventure. So kanak-kanak kat belakang ni first time naik ATV and dorang having fun lah. Aku dah boring lah naik ni benda. Jadi tak apalah. ATV masuk air. Oh panas ah. View of the farm sambil jalan-jalan tengok farm. Inilah view the farm. Kita were riding between 10 km per hour to 15 km per hour max. So a bit slow for anyone. Pokok pisang, jalan-jalan. Ifan kat depan. Anak saudaraku Ifan kat depan dengan Raisha. Pergi. Ambil gambar lah. Yeah, good job. Pergi. Baru betul. Sekejap, ambil gambar. Pose. Satu. Tangan. 1, 2, 3, thumbnail. One time. 1, 3, thumbnail. Perai sikit.
Pra lagi.
Straight.
Straight kak, straight.
Straight. Pra. Pra ya. Op. Cewek nak kena kasih space so orang boleh naik, ada speed, momentum. Okay, you. Are you ready? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Pegang. Oh yeah.
Kakak, you dah ingat sangat.
Tak cukup laju lah lagi pun. Dia tu.
You dah kena laju tapi you pijit brake kan?
Tak boleh. Oh.
Dengar sangat.
Dia tu orang ni sangkut juga. Bos, okay lah 30 minutes lepas naik macam itu. Dah. Last gambar apa?
Ambil gambar dah duduk.
Okay, boleh bang ni kita semua? Tak masuk sana. Lagi. Duh. Terima kasih. Kita semua dah habis ATV ride. So this is the last activity kita dah buat. And so panas. Now dah 3 plus PM. Kita dapat naik for like 30 minutes lah the ATV ride. And now kita dah nak pack, get our stuff, buy some souvenirs and go back to the hotel. So if you guys want to come down to Desaru Fruit Farm, this place is really happening lah. Korang boleh buat banyak-banyak activities. And if you guys have some time, you can do more activities like the petting zoo and have the lunch. For us, kita just completed all the activities yang kita nak buat. And now we're heading home. So if you all enjoy this video, please subscribe and like. And I see you on my next one. Bye.